pass 2V0-31.21 exam can make sure you achieve the VMware Certified Professional, Cloud Management and Automation 2021, VCP-CMA 2021, certification. Real 2V0-31.21 dumps questions are great for passing Professional VMware vRealize Automation 8.3 certification exam. VMware 2V0-31.21 exam dumps with the actual exam questions and answers covering the exam topics ensure that you can prepare for the VMware 2V0-31.21 exam. Real 2V0-31.21 dumps questions guarantee 100% success. We open up a shortcut for you towards 2V0-31.21 Professional VMware vRealize Automation 8.3 exam. It really works in providing great help for the VMware VCP-CMA 2021 test. This video shares free 2V0-31.21 dumps questions as the demo. Then you can read and verify the quality of real 2V0-31.21 dumps questions. Question number 1. Kubernetes zones enable administrators to define the policy-based placement of which items? Choose the best answer. A. Pods and deployments. B. Ingress and load balancing. C. Clusters and namespaces. D. Service accounts and role-based access control, RBAC. Answer: C. Question number 2. An administrator needs to create a custom form for a cloud template that has just been created. One of the form input fields needs to be a drop-down that is populated through an external source. Which vRealize automation service must the administrator use to complete this task? Choose the best answer. A. Service broker. B. Orchestrator. C. Cloud assembly. D. Code stream. Answer: A. Question number 3. What is the function of action-based extensibility, ABX? Choose the best answer. A. It provides the capability to migrate content between instances of vRealize automation. B. It provides efficient capacity and cost management for managed virtual machines. C. It provides intelligent remediation and integrated compliance for security patches. D. It provides a way to execute stateless function, which contain reusable parameterized actions. Answer: D. Question number 4. Which two types of cloud accounts support IP address assignment in a network profile? Choose 2. A. VMware Cloud on Oz. B. vCenter. C. Amazon Web Services. D. Microsoft Azure. E. Google Cloud Platform. Answer: C, D. Question number 5. What is the purpose of a cloud zone? Choose the best answer. A. A cloud zone is used to segregate resources for provisioning within a cloud account. B. A cloud zone is a method of connecting to a type of resource provider. C. A cloud zone is a simplified user interface for users who do not need full access to developing and building cloud templates. D. A cloud zone is used for organizing users and groups. Answer A. Question number 6. What capability enables provider administrators to allocate infrastructure resources to tenants in a multi-organization vRealize automation environment? Choose the best answer. A. Virtual private zones. B. Virtual private clouds. C. Cloud accounts. D. Integration endpoints. Answer A. Question number 7. What are the two prerequisites for setting up multi-organization tenancy for vRealize automation? Choose 2. A. VMware Identity Manager. B. vRealize Suite Lifecycle Manager. C. vRealize Automation Appliance. D. vRealize Easy Installer. E. Salt Stack Config. Answer B, C. Question number 8. Assuming no additional inputs have been added to the cloud template and the custom form is not enabled, which two fields are always flagged as mandatory when requesting a catalog item? Choose 2. A. Description. B. Cloud zone. C. Version. D. Project. E. Deployment name. Answer C, E. Question number 9. An administrator is tasked with creating a new vSphere and NSX Cloud template for the app dev team. The administrator successfully configures multiple network profiles that will create different types of on-demand networks. The app dev team wants the cloud template to create an on-demand network that can be connected externally. Which two network types should the administrator consider using in the cloud template? Choose 2. A. Existing. B. Public. C. Outbound. D. Private. E. Routed. Answer C, E. Question number 10. Which vRealize Suite product helps an administrator understand the monetary impact of deployments and manage costs in vRealize automation? Choose the best answer. A. vRealize Suite Lifecycle Manager. B. vRealize Network Insight. C. vRealize Operations. D. vRealize Log Insight. Answer C.